Okay, what are you dicking around with over there? Got compression?
It's got compression.
Throttle work? Cable don't work. It's not connected. It's got a billet slide in. Is that stock?
Probably.
Can't see him here. Thumbs in there. Got suction? Good. Where's the plug at? Blew it out. What the hell is that man with that rubber piece for?
It's the airbox.
Where's my rubber? What was it for?
It goes in there.
That goes on there?
Yeah, just like that.
They wanted that?
Perfect.
Is that how it goes?
I think it goes the other way.
Just like this?
No, I think this goes on there.
Just like that? Yeah, sure. So they wanted the CD ignition in the intake system. They want the fuel tank too?
Yeah.
How much the frame that it goes into? They want
they were asking where the frame was, yeah.
They wanted everything. Yeah, now it's in there permanent. Yeah, good. Take that off, put that SNS on there.
Put a real carb, there you go.
There you go. Look at the size of that, that's bigger.
Bigger's better, yeah.
SNS G on there, take care of that.
Does it shift?
It's one of the special shorty levers too, so it's broken.
Right, it's custom. Broken, whoa.
Got a shifter in it? Oh, I heard a clunk. Got a gear in it. Another one. 3 gears?
It's a 2-speed?
2-speed.
2-speed.
That's all we get. Was it down and upshift?
Apparently. Going down.
It's a race bike.
Unless if we were in the top gear.
We'll come up half and see if there's neutral in here. Oh, it's got a standard shift pattern, not a race bike. Okay, where's that spark plug at?
I don't know.
It was in there.
You took it out.
So there's the number down there, what it is. Everybody wanted to know what that number was. What's that number mean? 100. Oh.
Everyone was crying about what year it was.
Oh, I was hitting the wrong button. Okay, I was taking a picture, but I was shutting the camera on and off instead.
Look at the mounts. I couldn't imagine they changed much throughout the years, but I don't know.
I doubt if they change anything throughout the years. There. This time, don't turn the camera on off to take a picture.
Perfect.
Yeah, you have to actually not do that. See, picture's up over here, not over here. It says record. The R button there is not the picture button. Where was that spark plug at?
I don't know.
It's got a water pump on it. It's got a carbonator on this side. Yeah, put your hand in the picture. Is there oil in it? There's oil in it.
It's a little wet.
There's oil in it. Here's the electrical hookup to make it run. We can make this thing run. You got everything you need to make it run.
Hold on.
Except ignition. Do we need ignition to make it run?
Nah.
It's a 2-stroke. They don't require any ignition. It's like
Put some diesel gas in there.
It's like a diesel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, where'd the spark plug go?
I don't know.
It's sitting on top of the motor. What happened to it?
I took it out. Did you take it out?
I was going to take it out and I left it because I was going to go
Did I take it out?
get my
No, I didn't
camera.
take it out. You took it out.
You took it out because it ain't here. It's in GK. What'd you do with it? It's in your pocket? I pulled it out and I left it in there for 2 days. So it's right where you left it.
Perfect
I'm
looking.
going to look at it, that plug.
Perfect. This thing was running like a top.
Maybe. Okay. Everybody wants to know how good it is. There's the inside. Pretty good to me. Here, hold that.
Yes, sir. Ooh.
Hey, no camera. Ooh, who's that?
Ooh, cam reception. Hold on, there's a glare. Turn it my way. There you go.
It's not rebuilt. Carbon on it.
That doesn't look bad.
Okay, where's our ticker at? There's holes down there. So it's got some light surface for us for sitting. which will disappear pretty quickly.
No real gouges or nothing.
No, you got vertical up and down lines where it was moving.
Yeah.
Piston has light carb on it, but it's not crusted with oil or anything. The ports all look nice and straight and true. Okay, what's nice about this camera? It goes sideways.
Ooh.
It goes sideways. That's got a lot of ports in it.
Your camera doesn't like this screen. There we go.
It's gonna light off, light up.
Yeah, no, it's still blue.
In here, does that help? It's definitely not seized or anything. You see kind of I don't see any real marks that really matter. It's got some light surface rust, which would be nice for them there, but most old motors have some of it. Let's try a different view. It definitely looks dry.
Yeah.
That means it's not using oil because it's dry. If it was using oil, it probably wouldn't have the surface rust on it. So, yeah, it'll run fine. It'll just take 5-10 minutes to get everything all broken back in again. I don't see any size on that piston dome, do you?
No. Nope, now you pissed it off.
What's that button do? I think that's the record button. I don't know what it does. What's this button do? How about this button? I think I pissed it off.
Just delete all of them, fuck it.
Oh, it takes video camera, so I don't know. Let's hit more buttons, see what happens.
Yeah, there you go, the camera button.
Yeah,
No, the top button.
I'll do this one here. It's upside down. We're upside down. Reboot. Someone doesn't know how to use a tool.
Did you read the manual?
No, I did not.
I'm surprised.
Actually, I did. I lightly. It said you push buttons to make it go on.
You read which one's the power button?
This one makes it flip screens. There. Oh, it's working again. Oh, look, I can see out the side. Where's that? Here. Yeah, yeah, the finger in there. Yeah, I see no size. You'd think they put something on the piston dome for sizing.
And there's so many aftermarket companies with dirt bikes.
Yeah. Oh well, it doesn't show the...
Ooh, you can zoom?
It goes up to 8 zoom.
Dang, that's pretty cool.
I'm looking for any kind of markings. I don't see anything on there that looks like a marking. This isn't like a Harley where it marks stuff, I guess.
It's also really easy to pull the head off. You should just...
We don't need to pull the head off, we got a TV. You got eight times, look how much... What kind of carbon is that, sir?
Take a sample with that photo.
That is black carbon, that's what that is. Oh, look at that, it's got some brown carbon right there next to that port.
That rust carbon?
That's rust carbon. Let's get a different side view of it. Look at that. Get that with your Home Depot camera. How do you make the zoom go away?
Just, hold on, I gotta unzoom mine. Press the other button.
Which one? Oh, there it goes. Hey, you know how to work it. You're overqualified.
I read the manual.
Good, I'm glad somebody did. Look at that. It's got 2 ports on that side. So where is that at?
You got like 5 ports, 6 ports all the way around.
It's like a port on every corner.
It has corners?
Yeah. Round corners.
Round corners.
There's 3 different cameras on the fucking thing. There's one side and the other side.
Why don't you stick the camera in here, see the underside of the piston?
Right here?
Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Whoa, it's got no valves up there. This engine's broken.
No piston valves?
No piston valves. No head valves. Oh, there's that orange carbon.
I don't see much cross-hatching going on. These things don't have cross-hatching?
Oh, I see it right there. Go back.
That's vertical scratching.
Yeah.
It's probably a chrome bore or something, I guess. I don't know what it is.
2-stroke shit.
That it is. Okay, get the camera out of the hole before you kick it over. Now we can see the piston. What's going on here? There's the piston. There's a ring.
Just the one. I think it's got two.
The piston's got some wear on it. It's definitely not new. It's not broken either, but it ain't new. Got a little bit of carbon buildup past the ring, so she was using. See a little bit of blow by on that thing. Yep. Trying to go and see the rings. What kind of rings are those?
Round ones.
There you go. How the rings look?
Perfect.
Perfect. So you got carbon past the ring. Actually, on a two-stroke, it's exposed to the port, so I guess it makes it that way anyway. It's not a four-stroke.
That's true.
It's not a four-stroke. Yeah, piston got some vertical scratch in it, but how bad is that scratch in the camera? Doesn't really tell you. You got something written on there right there? Look at that. Or something?
No.
Just where the scratches are.
The scratches are trying to tell you something.
There's a reed in there. Is that a reed or is that a piston? Here, look up this side of the camera. Turn the light on. That's the piston. Get my finger in there. My finger ain't long enough. How long are your fingers?
Not very long.
Longer than mine. Can you get to the piston? Feel the scratches?
Not bad at all. Yeah.
So it's relatively smooth?
Yeah.
Okay. I can't get my finger in there, so the piston doesn't uncover the port, I guess.
It wasn't enough to be able to nick it.
Yeah. Well, see, it's like anything you look up real close, it really shows.
Yeah, it over exaggerates.
Yeah, it really makes it look bad when it's not really that bad. It's not new, but it ain't junk either. So it's a good use motor, as expected. All right, camera works. It'll work. What year is it? Figured it out yet?
No, I have not.
How's the clutch work?
Perfect. Put it against the car. There you go.
It's a stiff clutch.
Race clutch.
I can't move it.
Was it? Here, trade. I'll go breaking that fucking thing.
Break my car. Against the tail, plastic tail light. I was trying to work it on there. Kind of a little bit, that's about it. Yeah, need actually some leverage.
That's it?
It's got a heavy duty clutch.
Oh, that thing is tight.
Yeah, it is.
Oh no, I got it.
Working?
Clutch works, yeah.
Works. Got tension on it. Line's good. Is there a fuel pump in there? Got a water pump. Yeah, the camera works a lot better when the light comes on. All right.
$7 million.
The part number right there. What's that mean?
Honda.
That's what that says?
HF. Honda Freedom.
Is that what it is?
Honda Freedom, yeah.
How big is that carbonator? It's a Cayenne.
That was keying.
Got the puke hose in the wrong spot. Oh, they had the choke on. Oh, no, choke's off. Nope, choke was off.
Is that why I wasn't running?
Yeah, I need the choke on to make it run. All right, there you go. One dirt bike motor.
Well, you can't